you looking for something that you can put in your home that will last from fall to winter and you really don't have to do a whole lot to it? First, select your piece of wood. And it's alright if you get as unique and creative as possible. This is a bourbon barrel top. On the back, you want to put on your hanging hardware. I'm going to put a picture hanger, but instead of putting nails, I'm going to put in screws because this piece is very heavy. One thing I did beforehand is pre-drilled my holes just to help me get started because oak is a very hard wood. Now on this side also I pre-drilled my hole and we're just going to add one screw to this. We want to make sure that this is nice and snug but not all the way in. Now I have a piece of hanging hardware here that has a hanger on the back that we're going to put right here. And there we have it. We have a piece that we can hang a lantern or anything really for any decoration from fall into winter. So I hope you liked the video, and this can last from fall into winter. So I know this video was fast, but thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.